Welcome back to 50 Car. It doesn't roar, yet it thunders through your senses. The 2025 GMC Hummer EV is not just an electric vehicle, it's a revolution wrapped in metal, built to challenge everything you thought you knew about trucks. Where most EVs tiptoe, the Hummer EV marches with futuristic bravado and brutal charm, defying limits with every turn of its electric motor. This reborn titan wears a shell of strength. Up front, its iconic grille is now backlit, giving it a signature glow. LED headlamps stretch like a visor across its face, evoking a space-age warrior. Sculpted body panels, squared wheel arches, and a high-riding stance combine for a bold, military-esque presence. The pros? Undeniable road presence and off-road ruggedness. Cons? Its sheer size can feel overwhelming in tight urban spaces. Step inside, and the Hummer EV transforms into a digital command center. A 13.4-inch touchscreen floats beside a 12.3-inch digital cluster. The dashboard is wrapped in durable yet stylish materials with metallic accents. The cabin feels like a luxury bunker, heated and ventilated seats, panoramic roof panels, and removable sky panels that invite the outdoors in. However, some may find the touchscreen's interface a bit laggy, especially under full system load. Performance is where the beast bears its soul. With up to 1,000 horsepower in Edition 1 trim and a 0 to 60 time of around 3 seconds, it's supercar fast despite its mammoth size. The Crab Walk feature allows diagonal movement, and adaptive air suspension enhances every terrain experience. Top speed is electronically limited to preserve battery life. Pros? Raw power, trail domination, instant torque. Cons? Range dips significantly under aggressive use, and charging infrastructure still lags in rural areas. Priced around $96,000, it targets adventurous luxury buyers age 30, 55 who crave exclusivity and off-road fun. Rivals include the Rivian R1T and Tesla Cybertruck. The Hummer EV stands out with its heritage, tech-laced brawn, and unmatched personality. Extras? An underbody camera system, ultravision with up to 18 views, and a built-in generator mode. Warranty includes 8 years, 100,000 miles for the battery. Optional accessories include rugged roof racks and off-road recovery kits. Still, the weight can affect long-term tire wear and brake component costs.